How do you easily manage a large number of accounts while avoiding red flags and bans? P1Browser can assist you right away. Let's look at how to use P1Browser in a few simple steps. First, let's create a new browser profile. You can choose your preferred operating system and kernel version. We recommend selecting an OS that matches your current device for better spoofing. Next, add a proxy to this profile. P1Browser automatically randomizes your advanced hardware fingerprints. Every time you launch this profile, websites will only see a completely unique, isolated, and natural device. P1Browser also makes team collaboration seamless. You can create groups, add members, and assign specific permissions. Share profiles with your team securely without risking your account passwords or exposing sensitive data. Ready to secure and scale your business? Click the link in the description below to download P1Browser and claim your 7-day professional free trial at p1go.net. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert tips. See you next time.